I'm telling you, bro, these Jordan 11 Hydro slides are out of control. These things are incredible, guys. No more talking. Roll my intro and let's get to it. What's going on, YouTube fam? Hopefully you find yourself in comfort, and more comfort, because that's all I got in my mind right now when it came to these slides right here. I'm telling you guys, these things are out of control comfort. I'm gonna get that out of the way already. And here's the best part about it. It's not like when your mom gets a chancleta and tries to throw it at you. You know what I'm saying? Let me make sure she never sees this video, because she'll find them and throw it at me and hit me right in the ass neck. But like I was saying, the comfortability is out of control on these. So get that out of the way already. But I gotta get to the sizing, I gotta get to the materials, and I gotta get to the on-foot, guys. You already know how I start this. The materials. There's no toe box. Ah, man. I don't know what the hell to do this one now. You know what? Like I always say, just go with it, go with it. Starting off with the strap-ons. Redo. Starting off with the straps. There you go, baby. You can see on the understrap, the first layer of material right there, it's like a rubber type material. Where the Jumpman logo is at, right on the left side, that's made out of leather, guys, and the Jumpman logo is sewn onto it. Very good quality sewn on. No pretzel fingers, so I'm not gonna lie about it. Very well sewn. Going to the upper strap, that's an all leather also, and you can see the Jordan 11 type, the same that the Jordan Breads have in the back with the 23. It has it right on top of the upper strap. And the straps have a feature that you can loosen them up, guys, and put it to whatever's best for the width of your foot. That's a very nice touch right there. That is not just one big piece. That's very good right there when it comes to the comfortability level. Going into the sole of the slides, you know, right there, I almost ended up saying the sneakers. Yes, guys, the slides. You see all that red, guys, with the dots on it? That's more like a gel for comfortability. It's like a massager, you know? It's like a standalone massager. Very nice. I like it. Me personally, it feels great on my foot. And it's surrounded by this cushion type material that is all the white that you guys see right there. Going into the midsole of the slides, you see from the beginning to the end, you see all that patent leather, just like the Jordan 11 Breads. And when you're reaching all the way to the end, just like the Jordan 11 Breads, that the tongue has the Jordan and the Jordan Jumpman right in the middle in red. That touch right there is top notch. Makes it look just like the Jordan 11, but obviously in a slide version. Going to the sole of the slides, right in the toe box in the front, you see this nice little pattern, I guess for the grippy grips, just in case you're doing something at night or you're having a good time with somebody you got, whatever. You see that pattern? That's a little bit different than the actual Jordan's 11s. But if you look at the whole thing, because it has that pattern in the back too, in the heel area, if you look at it, it's actually like a resemblance of the Jordan 11 sole with the Jumpman right in the middle, and it has those lines coming across it like if it was the carbon fiber. That's very nice right there. Me personally, I think that's great. And guys, this is a slide at the end of the day. How much more am I going to speak about it? The main thing is the comfortability. These guys go for $70 just in case, and I'm going to leave a link below just in case you want to get your hands on these. When it comes to the comfortability, guys, like I said, I'm not lying whatsoever. All joke aside, They are extremely comfortable. Maybe one of the most comfortable slides that I have ever worn. It's my first time that I actually buy this slide, the ones that are hydros that represent the actual sneakers. The first time. So like they were the breads, I had to get my hands on it. Now when it comes to the sizing, I went size 10 on this. I'm a 9.5 usually in all Jordans. I went a size 10 and they fit perfect, as you guys can see right there. When it comes to styling, hey bro, why not? I think you could go out in the street with these, you know what I'm saying? You could get that nice little bummish look. It don't matter, guys, you know, nice and relaxed, you know? But if you're coming out of a Ferrari, trust me, you don't look like a bum whatsoever. But still, it's very nice and very stylish. And I wouldn't mind wearing these to run some errands or to go to the grocery store. I don't mind that, guys. Even though I'm not a big fan of being out on the street on slides whatsoever. Just in case you gotta, you know what I'm saying? You gotta keep your eye out for these cats. Yeah. I'll keep it for home. I'll keep it for the hotels, traveling, stuff like that. Nothing in the street, at least when it comes to me. And I forgot to mention two little details, guys. The box right there. No big deal whatsoever. As you guys can see right there, it's size 10. Very nice with the gold logo. The whole box is in black. Very nice, very nice. Small little box, very nice. And the right pair, guys, comes with this little tag right there with the size on it. Just in case you guys want to know the whole detailing of it and the whole shebang. You want to know that it brings the little sizing on the heel too? Right, just in case. I don't want to hear it. And that's pretty much it, guys. Like I said, not much to talk about, but they are Jordan 11 bread slides. And how could you go wrong with that? The style, good quality, very great comfort. It's just, I know these things are going to fly off the shelves, guys. I'm going to put the link below. And hopefully you guys can cop, you know, and don't have to be paying the resale from StockX or anything like that. If I can't find it at actual link at retail, I'll put the StockX link just for you guys and get some benefits there. But anyways, that's pretty much it. Guys, I got a lot more to come. I got some more sneaker travels and a lot of conversations that are coming up. Till next time, everybody, I love you all and I'm always wishing you the best. Peace! Eco